Guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get free USA number for your WhatsApp verification. So let me show you my WhatsApp as proof. So guys, can you see this is my WhatsApp number, and can you see I use USA number for this account. So the best thing about this is that you can use the number for any verification. So can you see this is my Telegram also. I use the same number for my WhatsApp and Telegram. So most of you know about this FREETONE app. So I just got an update that can allow you to receive OTP code for free and voice call. So guys, can you see I am receiving OTP code and I am receiving call also. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So just watch this video carefully to the end. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is the step-by-step guide on what you are going to do. So I'm going to explain it before I start. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to create FREETONE account. So I think most of you know how to do that already. We are going to create USA FREETONE account, and we are going to add a virtual card to it, because FREETONE just introduced a new feature that allows you to get free 1 week trial. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use virtual card to activate the 1 week trial, and we are going to cancel the subscription. So once you activate and you cancel the subscription, they are not going to remove your money, and the number is going to last for 1 week. So you can use the number for any verification within that 1 week. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you need to download the old version of FREETONE. So just follow all these steps carefully in this video, and you'll be able to get the number for your verification. So just check the video description, and you're going to see all these links in the video description. So just download the old version of FREETONE from Telegram or Mediafire. So just click on the Telegram link or the Mediafire link. So I have downloaded it already, so let me just install it. So this is it. So the installation process is going to take few seconds. So just install the FREETONE app to your phone, and we can now move to the next step. So guys, can you see it has been installed successfully? So don't open it, just click on done and go back to the links. So the second link you are going to be using is Windscribe VPN. So you need to click on this link and create an account on the Windscribe VPN. So if you are facing some errors when you are trying to create an account, I'm going to put a video link in the description that guides you on how to create an account without any error. So just download this Windscribe VPN and create an account, and if you are facing any issue, watch the video that I link in the description. So once you have created an account on the Windscribe VPN and you have downloaded the old version of FREETONE, you need to do these 3 things. So the first thing is turn off your location. So guys, can you see my location is turned off already? So the second thing is turn on flight mode, and you need to connect to a nearby Wi-Fi. So just turn on your airplane mode or flight mode, and you need to connect to a Wi-Fi. So once you have done those 3 things, you need to open your FREETONE. So you need to open your Windscribe. Don't open your FREETONE yet. So you need to open your Windscribe, and once you open it, you need to connect to any United States location. So just select any of these, and you need to select a free server. So if you want to know a free server, you are going to see @ icon. So all these stars are paid servers. So just look for server with @ icon, and you need to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to start connecting immediately. So you just need to wait for a few seconds for the VPN to get connected, and we are going to move to the next step. So let's wait for this to get connected. So guys, can you see that the VPN is now connected successfully? So once the VPN is connected, just open the old version of FREETONE that you downloaded earlier. So just open it, and once you open it, you need to click on get started. So once you click on get started, you need to see something like this. So you must see something like this. So if you are saying login or sign up, just close the app and change your VPN location. So just change your VPN location and open the app again. So if you do that, you are going to see create an account. Trust me, just click on create an account, and they are going to show you some numbers to pick from. But guys, don't pick from these numbers. So don't pick from any of these numbers. So you need to update your app before you continue, because if you pick from the numbers, you're going to see unable to sign up. So just go back to the links and download the old version of FREETONE. So you are going to find all these links in the video description. So just click on the link and it's going to redirect you to Play Store. So just click on update, and the update process is going to take a few seconds. So just wait for a few seconds for the app to finish updating. So make sure you do not close your Play Store when doing this. So let me pause this video and I'm going to continue once the updating process has been completed. So guys, can you see that I have updated the app successfully? So once you have updated the app, just click on open, and once you click on open, you need to make sure you see create an account again. Just click on get started and let's wait and let's see what we are going to see. So guys, can you see it is now showing create an account? So if you do not see create an account the second time, just close the app, change your VPN location, open it again, and you are going to see it. So just click on create an account, and you need to select any number of your choice. So I'm just going to test this number with WhatsApp, so that I won't pick a number that has been banned. So 716 342 0246. So let's click on next. Let's see if this number is good. So guys, can you see this number is 100% working? So you can also test it with Telegram. So I'm just going to select the number and click on confirm this number. So once you click on confirm this number, you need to allow the permission. So you need to allow this permission, and you need to input your email address. So just input your, so let me, so just input your email address, and you need to create a password. So once you create the password, you need to select your age, and you need to select your gender, if you are a male or a female. So once you have done all that, just click on register, and they are going to show you a captcha to solve. My network is not that good, so you just need to solve this captcha, and we are going to continue. Just click on I am not a robot. So let's select bicycle, and let's click on next. So guys, I think it is my network, so we are in now. So guys, can you see that we have created an account successfully? So guys, can you see this is the number, and we can now add our card. So this is what I'm trying to tell you earlier in the video. So guys, can you see, go premium for 1 week. Instead of paying money, they are going to give you for free. So just free trial. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to create a virtual card. So you can create virtual card for free, and we are going to add it. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video also. So if you are in Nigeria, you can create a virtual card with cheaper cash or payday. So if you're in India or United States or another country, you can just use your normal card. So just add your normal card, and you need to cancel it back. So I'm going to show you how to cancel the subscription. So they are not going to remove your money at all. So you can just add your normal card and cancel the subscription immediately. And you can also create a virtual card if you don't want to use your normal card. So I am in Nigeria, that's why I use cheaper cash. So I have a cheaper cash account. So I'm just going to use the information, and I'm going to cancel the subscription immediately. So once you cancel the subscription, they are still going to give you the 1 week trial. So with the 1 week trial, you'll be able to verify any website, any app with the number, and they are going to send you SMS code. And if you want to use voice code, you are going to receive the call also. So guys, I have issues with the last number that I created, so I just use another phone to create a new account, and I'm going to activate the premium on this device. So I think it is because I have activated an account on the phone, that's why it did not work again. So I'm just going to input the card information. So let me click on go premium for 1 week. I'm going to click on add credit or debit card. So I'm just going to input the card information. And guys, let me say this again. So if you're in Nigeria, you can get virtual card with cheaper cash or payday. So it is very easy. And if you are facing some issues, just open YouTube and search for how to get free virtual card with cheaper cash or payday. And if you are in India or another country, if you are in India, United States, just use your normal bank card or just create a virtual card. So I'm going to show you how to remove the card once you are done. So I'm just going to input the card information right here. So once you have input the card information, just click on save, and it's going to load for a few seconds. Once you click on save, so let's just wait and let's see what it is going to show up. So guys, can you see? Just click on subscribe, and it's going to process for a few seconds again. So guys, can you see? It is now loading. So guys, can you see? Payment successful. Require authentication for purchase. So let me just click on no thanks, and let me click on no thanks. And guys, can you see that we have paid for the number successfully? So let's reload. So it is now loading. So just reload, and you're going to see that we have activated the number. So guys, can you see? We have now activated the premium for this number. So guys, can you see? Voice marked, SMS marked, premium accounts. So we cannot use this number to receive any SMS. So before I use the number for my WhatsApp and Telegram verification, let me show you how to remove the card from your Play Store so that they are not going to remove your money. So just open your Play Store. And once you open your Play Store, you need to click on your account right here. So just click on your account, and once you click on your account, you're going to see payment and subscription. Just click on payment and subscription, and you're going to see subscriptions. Just click on subscriptions, and once you click on it, you are going to see it right here, active. So just click on it, and once you click on it, you are going to see cancel subscription. So once you cancel the subscription, you are going to get free 1 week premium on your FREETONE account, and they are not going to remove your card after 1 week. So once you cancel the subscription, they won't be able to remove money from your account, and your card is safe. So let me use the number for my WhatsApp first. So I'm just going to click on OK. So let me click on your phone. So let me just click on verify with SMS. So we couldn't send SMS to your number. So let me click on so you may request a new code in 4 minutes 50 seconds. So let's just wait for 4 minutes 46 seconds. So guys, let's click on did not receive code, and let's click on resend SMS. So you recently connected, please wait 55 minutes before retrying. So let's check our FREETONE accounts. So let me open my FREETONE account. Let me check inbox. So guys, there's no message, so I'm going to go with the call option. So I'm going to click on wrong number. I'm going to input the number again. So I'm going to use the call option 213469. Just watch the video carefully to the end. So 079. So let me click on next. I'm going to click on OK. So let me click on verify with SMS. Did not receive code. And let me choose call me. So they are going to call us on our FREETONE accounts. So let's check the call.
Verification code is 590139.
So guys, the code is 590139. So just keep retrying this, and this is going to work for you 100%. So trust me guys. Let me click on not now. Let me click on retry. So let me click on other business. Next. So let's click on not now, and let me just click on cancel. So guys, can you see that we have created an account successfully, and this is the number. So I'm going to try and use the number for Facebook. So let me click on create new account. So you are going to see that we are going to receive code in this FREETONE account. So let's check the FREETONE account. So guys, can you see this is the code? So 47106. 47106. So can you see guys, you can receive code with this app. So just select a good number and you can use the number for any verification. So guys, can you see we have created active United States Facebook account with this number. So you can just use this number to verify anything. And guys, if you have any question, drop it in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys.